So, please mute yourself, everyone. Okay. So today concept is some different concept. Like, see, for example, we'll open our application. Actually, we are launch application. After launch, you are successfully can log in. Then only you can go to the this next page. Means you are going to the flight booking page. Means maybe your entered username password will be wrong, or your script will be failing here because of some issues, and then what will happen, you will be there in this page only. So your valid page you are going. Actually, what is the valid page? Go to the login page is the valid page. Like you need to go to this page is login page is valid page. But in script, do you know we are going to this page or not? Exactly, we know. We don't know. Just we are doing for the blindly. The script is script pass only. It is showing. You can observe here script pass only. It is we are able to see, but we are getting exactly correct page or not. We don't know. So that is point of view. We need to validate for that point of view. We need to use for the one of the scripting enhancements is a text verification point and image verification point. We have the two validation points will be there. What are there means text verification point and image verification point. So for example, now you are doing login. So what we need to write means we need to write for the one more function web rec underscore find. In that argument, like in double colon, comma, last. And in the double colon, we need to write for the text is equal. And here we need to write for the some save count is equal to. Okay, save count will write later. Okay, that will be. Okay, text here, text is there. Text nothing but see, for example, which page we are doing? We are doing for the login page. After login, this is the text. So we need to take for the any one of the static text. You can take welcome or using or any one of the static test we need to take. See, for example, I'm taking for the flights is the text. What I'm taking flight is a static test. You can copy and paste it, Control V. See, you can save it and we'll run. Before run, just we'll check for the logs, external logs and parameter substitution. And now we'll execute. So just I'm doing for the text verification point because in that page we are exactly going or not, we don't know. How many iterations will be there? See, your script will be failed. Now you can observe your script will be failed. See, you can observe the text is equal flights not web break find function. Means your script is not going to this login page. Means you are not logging successfully. Why? Because means see in this page we have the dynamic value will be there. You can observe in the login page dynamic value will be there. You did correlation?
No.
No, right? So because that is why your script is failing. Means this values keep on every user will be changing. So you are not done correlation, then your script will failing. Means you are not unable to log into the application. Means you are will be there in this page only. But you need to successfully log in means which page we need to go? Actually, we need to go to this page. In this page, you are not and correct or not means you need to take for any one of the static test, flights or book or welcome or web tour or reservation, anything you can take for any one of the static test. And now you can observe multiple iterations there. Remove multiple iterations. Again, I will executing. You can observe. See, how many times you can execute also your script will be fail because you are not going to the correct page. Still login only itself it's failing. But you can observe one thing. See your script fail or pass? Failed.
Failed.
Because you can read this line error. Text is equal to flights not found. Means the text is equal to flight is not found in the particular page. So that is why your script will failing. But you can observe now, we can enable that function, disable, you can disable it and save it and run. See your script passed or not?
Yes.
See, script passed. But exactly you are successfully login or not, you know? See, script will be passing, but see, you are not handle the correlation value also. It is your script is passed. So you are exactly went for the like successful login page or not. Do you know? You don't know. So that is why we need to write for the each and every page is a one web break find function. Then only you know for the okay in this page we are going to for the exactly correct page or not. You know. So now you can observe it will fail because the dynamic values keep on changing. So that is you are not a handle, you are not done correlation. Obviously, the text is equal to flight is not there in this space. So you can go here and in the log in this page only it will show you. In this page is anywhere it will be there flights there
No.
not there means you are will be there in this page only. But when you log in successfully like you see you can observe Jojo Bean and click on login. See, you went to this page. In this page, flights will be there. See, flights
Yes.
there.
Yes.
So means in this page you came successfully, then only this will be pass. Otherwise, your script will be fail. So then we need to write for the function web break find function and text is equal welcome. Now you need to do for the correlation. So just I'm doing for the auto correlation quickly purpose. Okay, correlate selection and details and boundary base. Okay, and correlate button. Now you can observe I did correlation. See, I did correlation. In the dynamic value place also it is replaced. So now you can execute. Your script will be pass because you are handle correlation. So how many times the value will change also there is no problem and that page also you are able to going because in that page having flights the text will be there in the login page. See now you can observe script will be passed and asympto you can observe here and you can observe web break say from ex started and web break say from ex successfully started and what is the our transaction login transaction we are keep the as a checkpoint we can call it as a validation point or checkpoint. See web break find what is the function web break find started and it is a registered function web break find was successfully means the page is you went for the correct page like flights page means you went for the correct page that is why this script will be passed. So that is why maybe you are not done correlation your script it is showing here pass but exactly we are getting for that page correct response page or not you need to means you need to give for the each and every page is a web break find function. See you need to I keep here and you can go to the login page and you need to keep for the login page also you need to keep for the one more function. So how to we can write the function web underscore reg underscore find and double colon comma last, and here text is equal text is equal. So now you need to take for the way which is transaction, this is the launch, right? You can go to the application and see after launch you need to take for the any one of the static test. What is the text? You can take welcome is also fine, or web tours you can, it's fine, or any one of the static test. What is the static test means? This text will be, if you see every time will be same text will be there. So dynamic means it is changing. See, for example, some dynamic values we are telling for correlation pointer. So that dynamic means it is changing. Static means doesn't change. So that is why you can take welcome also fine. So now I am taking welcome. And one more argument, save count is equal to, so just you are doing launch, right? You can give for the launch. So what is the save count means? This welcome in this space, how many times it will be there, calculate for the save count. So it is a one time or two time, it will display. You can observe now, will execute. See, something is wrong. So you can, what is the error also you need to identify. Invalid argument number 2. You can observe, you can click on this, which function you return, in that this argument will be invalid is showing. See, in the save count, I miss for the V. So that is why it is invalid argument is shown. So exactly you can observe by seeing error also you need to identify what is the issue. See, invalid argument number 2. So number 1 argument will be text is equal. After that, this is the 1. So what is that means? I return for the wrong mistake. Save means SAVE, save count. We need to write, right? So this is the correct. Now we'll save it and execute. So that is why we are doing for the correlation. Why means you are not going to the particular valid page. Now you can observe our script will be paused, and launch page only we keep that, right, transaction. See, launch is equal to how much it is showing? 1 means the welcome page in that particular page, in this page only one time will be there. That is why it is showing for the welcome. For example, web tours will be there. You can take assume we only seeing, by seeing also 1 2 is there. We need to calculate for year means same thing you can keep for the, in the text place we can keep this text welcome place, we can give for the web tours, and you can save it, and now we'll run this text. How many times it will be there, it will calculate. That is the save count. Okay, steady. So now we can observe, say launch is equal 6 times, web tours will be there. How many times? 6 times it is showing launch. So means in this space the web tour will be 6 times will be there. You can observe also where 1 is a web tour, this is a 1 2 and 3 and backend also we are unable to see some. So everything it is calculate for our function web break find function. It's clear everyone? So like this you need to keep for the each and every page is a one web break find function. So launch and login is completed. After that you need to keep for the click on flight page also means you need to write for the web break find function, and that argument double colon comma last, and we need to give for the text is equal text is equal. If you want to calculate for this text how many times means which save count. You need to use for the save count equal to, you are doing click on flight, right? You can give for the same name. Click on flights. So test. So this test is important. Where we can take means can go to the launch. After launch is completed, what we are doing? We are logging. After login, you are clicking for the login button. So now again, now our transaction what? Click on flight. You need to click on flight. After click on flight only, you need to take for the any one of the static test of in this space. You can take type of seat, you can take find flight, or you can take flight. Anything is fine. I am taking flight. Then save it and run. So this is also very important. Each and every script, each and every page, we need to keep for the web break find function. Then only you are going to the valid page or not, we need to know. See, now you can observe, and your script will be passed, and transaction, which transaction we keep. See, click on flights. The flight will be, how many times will be there? 4 times will be there. Saving parameter, click on flight is equal 4. So like this, you need to keep for the each and every page is a one, this function, web break find function. It's clear, everyone? Anyone doubt?
Just only Kiran.
Yes, please.
So this page is valid or not? Check it only by using this web find function.
Yes, that is only very important, right? See, you are doing so for
every transaction.
Every transaction, no, every page.
Every page, yeah.
Yeah, we need to validate every page, every not transaction. So because see, you are doing you are not doing correlation also, your script will be passed, it is showing script. But you don't know exactly you are getting for the corrective response page or not.
Yeah.
So that is why very important thing for the web break find function also. Each and every page you should be keep the web break find function. So what is the validation
point of view?
Sorry?
That page validation point of view, you can use this function, web break find function.
Yes. Every time we should
And why are you using correlation? Not using the correlation. You are not changing the correlation. What will happen? It will throw an error.
Yes, it will throw an error, right?
Why?
Because the dynamic value is every time. See, you are logging, your time is some section value is 1, 2, 3, 4 is generating. Then next time I am logging, my time is coming from the some 1, 6, 8, 7 something. Means what is happen? User to user value is changing. Then what will happen? So the server values keep on changing. So login is not successful.
So only one correlation point of view, or all
every correlation
dynamic
point of
values?
Every dynamic value point of view is very important for the web break find function.
అని అనేది మామూలుగా అందుట్లో ఉన్న ప్రతి డైనమిక్ వాల్యూ చేంజ్ చేయాల్సిందే, లేదా ఒకటి చేసి సరిపోతా అంటున్నాను.
Every dynamic value we need to do. Okay. So Jafar, anyone, any doubts? Jafar, Shravanti, Ashwini?
No sir, no doubt.
No doubt, right? Okay, good. So same to for example, we want to one more function will be there, same like this only, like we need to write for that is the image checkpoint, web image underscore check, and here also we have the comma and SRC comma last and semicolon. So for here we need to write for the just parameter name. You can give for the anything, launch only, right? Launch, I given parameter name. Here we need to write for the image, means how we are taken for that particular page static test. Same way this is the image, right? So image nothing but this HP is image, web tour is image. So, but how to we can take that particular text means if we go to the any one of page and click on view page source is there, right? You can click on that. And here image is nothing but some SRC is equal to will be there. You can observe SRC some up to true. This is the one. So you can take for the any one of the SRC value, that is the, you can copy. You can copy and paste it for the in the here. You can copy and paste it. And here we know, right? Load runner doesn't know for the double colons. So you need to give for the slash. Where it is double colon, it will be there. See, so blue color escape and script passing also you can observe passing. So now just you can execute. So means you can validation you can do for the as a image verification point you can do it, or as text verification point we can do it. How many times we can validate means, so doing for the correlation also one of the validation of point only, but this is the particular thing. Now we can observe which transaction we keep. See, web image check is started and web image check was successful. For here we are nothing will see like some value is equal like this, we don't see, just we are getting for the success or not we are able to see. This is the web image check and web text checkpoint. So how many ways we can validate page means, we can validate the page like text verification point and image verification point as same to the HTTP status codes and as same to the correlation also one of the validation points. It's clear everyone?
Yes. Web image static correlation.
And one more thing. So we want to like I want for the function like it is a checkpoint pass or fail. I want one message from the in our output window means we need to write for the small code. So this will be everyone we can keep in our notepad and just copy and paste it. No need to worry about that. Okay. So where we can write means, for example, you are doing for the web break find we written in this login page. Okay, in this login page. So in the below request after login, you need to keep it for this code. So if code nothing but just if else condition, C condition we are writing. So you can observe, just you can copy and paste it here. So nothing you can do it, no worry about that. Okay. So here launch is there, right? Launch nothing but what is the name you are given save count, you need to give for that name. But here we are not given any save count, right? You can give now. Save count is equal to, I'm given login. Then what is the name you are given here? And same name you can keep it for the if A to I LR eval string and you can give it as a login. So after that, everything will be same. Nothing you can do it anything. So here what will happen means, see for example, this login equal to 0. So login equal to 0 means the text flight is the, for example, is equal to 0 means the text is not there in this page. So what will happen? It is the login is equal to 0. Then checkpoint is pass or fail. So more than 1 means it is a pass. More less than
Pass.
1 means it is the fail. So login is equal to 0, then checkpoint is failed. If login is equal to 1 or 2 or 3 or more than 1, then it is coming to the else part and it is execute for the LR output message. Checkpoint is pass.
Okay.
Got it? See, I will show both ways. First we'll see the login is equal to it is a pass or not. We can observe. Comparison. And declare text. Okay, here something is wrong. Now we'll execute. So we are almost scripting is completing. So please carefully practice. So please work on teamwork. If you not do teamwork, right? So if you got stuck anywhere, you are there only. So you need to work on teamwork. See, now you can observe where we did, that is the login, right? See, login is equal to 3 km. So checkpoint is passed. You can observe. So login is
Yes.
equal to 3 means more than 0. So that is why it is checkpoint is coming from the in this space, like else part it is came else part, and login is equal to 4. Then checkpoint is coming to the else part and login checkpoint is passed. See, now you can observe. I will give for the rank test now. Checkpoint failed or not, you can observe some. I given this one. Okay. Now it will execute. Now you can observe the login is equal to 0 came and checkpoint is failed. So just condition point only we are writing this code. I am sharing this in our chart window. Everyone keep it and copy as a text checkpoint. You can keep. See, now you can observe. I done login. Where is login? This one, not this one. See, login is equal to how much came? 0.
0.
Checkpoint is
0.
failed.
Right.
So this is the nothing more. Okay, very important. No worry about this. Just copy and paste it. Only you need to change the what is the save count name you are giving here. Same name you can give it here. After that, you need to write for the before the request will be web break find function. After the request will be you need to write for the this if else condition. Clear, everyone? So
Yes.
I'm copy pasting to the chart window. Everyone save it and keep it with notepad as a text verification point.
Kiran, why are you using this FLs?
See, for
What
example,
purpose?
someone say you are doing for the login checkpoint is pass or not failed. Someone will be seeing your script. Middle of the script you are given to me. You are done only like this. You are done for the text is equal this value and save count you are not given. Last is you are given. But I don't know your checkpoint is a password or not. You are whichever like error handling point of view. We are using this one. Like we are getting any error means you are able to see the okay checkpoint is pass or fail. We are able to see. Just condition our understanding point of false. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So everyone is clear this today topic as a verification point. How many verification points we have? Text and image verification point. So what is the text verification point function? Web break find and text is equal and save count and last. And web image means web image check and this is the parameter name and after that this SRC nothing but our source code. Where is our picture will be there? There we need to keep for that our source code. Anyone doubt for today class? Jafar, Sravanti. I think everyone good, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you guys can practice and please do it as a teamwork. Then only you will get for the good knowledge. Otherwise, you will not get good knowledge. Okay. So thank you for joining everyone. We'll meet for tomorrow also same time and we'll continue our scripting. Thank you.
Okay.